Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open Excel and create your data table with headers in the first row. Make sure your data is organized cleanly with consistent formatting so Excel can recognize it properly. Step 2. Select your entire data range including headers, then go to the Insert tab and click on Chart. Choose the chart type that best represents your data, whether that's a column chart, line chart, or pie chart. Step 3. Once your chart is inserted, right-click on it and select Edit Data. This allows you to modify the data source and set up formulas that will make your chart respond to changes. Step 4. Navigate to the data table on the side panel and use the Expand button to add or modify your data ranges. You can use named ranges or formulas to make these references dynamic instead of static. Step 5. Finally, test your dynamic chart by adding new data to your table or changing existing values. Watch as your chart automatically updates in real time, reflecting all the changes you make. This setup saves you tons of time when working with evolving datasets.